With all the long weekends, potluck dinners, and family get togethers coming up, we've been on the lookout for a couple of new standout dishes to make. Today, we're sharing one that's perfect next to a burger or as a star all by itself. In fact, we haven't met anyone who doesn't love this colorful stack creation. Before we start building our salad, we'll make a dressing that'll bring it all together. It's simply a mixture of mayo and sour cream, along with some garlic powder and a bit of salt and pepper. Then in a big glass bowl, we'll layer chopped lettuce, cut up red bell peppers, finely chopped red onion, some corn, and that can be fresh or frozen that we've thawed, a bit of celery for crunch, shredded cheddar, and some of our dressing. We'll repeat this one more time before finishing it off with some smoky crumbled bacon. After it chills for a bit, it's ready to serve. And although this is fancy enough for company, it's easy enough to make for a cool and refreshing weeknight dinner. You could even mix in some cooked chicken or a few shrimp to hearty it up. The recipe for our chilled stack salad is online now, so you can serve this as soon as tonight. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a stackable way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. The dressing is nice.